Perched on the cliffs overlooking the Aegean Sea, Villa Amara is a brand new luxury escape blending white volcanic stone with glass and infinity design. Inside, it features panoramic windows, a sunken living lounge, and built-in rock showers that mimic natural caves. Outside, an infinity pool seems to flow into the ocean, making sunsets look unreal. The Glass Reef Villa, Queensland, Australia. This cliffside villa is surrounded by the Great Barrier Reef's turquoise waters. Its walls are almost entirely glass, offering 270-degree ocean views. The interior combines bamboo, polished stone, and soft LED lighting. A floating deck extends over the water, with a transparent bottom jacuzzi. Villa Monteverde, Lake Como, Italy, hidden among olive trees and steep hills, this fresh modern villa features floor-to-ceiling windows, marble staircases, and a private lakeside dock. The courtyard includes a vintage stone fountain and handcrafted wooden balconies with lake views. Celebrities have recently started renting it for exclusive events and film shoots. Skybridge Villa, Dubai, UAE. A futuristic villa suspended between two towers, Skybridge has a glass-bottom pool hovering hundreds of feet above the ground. Inside, the decor mixes chrome, velvet, and digital smart walls. The rooftop lounge features retractable shades, a cocktail bar, and 360-degree city views. Solace Cliff Villa, Big Sur, California, USA. Carved into the rocky coastline, this contemporary villa faces the Pacific Ocean with massive glass walls and an open-plan stone fireplace. The kitchen features hand-carved wooden counters, and the terrace has a sunken seating pit around a fire. Waves crash directly below the deck. Villa Azul Mar, Tulum, Mexico. A modern Mayan-inspired villa surrounded by tropical jungle and turquoise beach. The architecture blends natural limestone, handcrafted beams, and ocean-facing sliding glass doors. It also has an underground spa, rooftop pool, and candlelit outdoor cinema built into the sand. Nordic Horizon Villa, Lofoten Islands, Norway. Set against Arctic mountains and icy fjords, this villa blends natural rock, pine wood, and triple-insulated panoramic glass. Inside, there's a heated stone floor, floating fireplace, and skylights for northern lights viewing. A waterfront sauna leads straight into the fjord. Villa Elysian Ridge, Cape Town, South Africa. Built over a rocky coastal ridge, this villa has curved glass walls, African marble floors, and indoor waterfalls. The bedrooms face the Atlantic with private terraces. The outdoor area includes a cliff-edge pool and dining deck surrounded by indigenous plants. Bali Terra Nova Villa, Ubud, Indonesia. Surrounded by rice terraces and hidden bamboo forests, this villa uses eco-friendly architecture with curved wooden beams and open-air living spaces. There's a bamboo bridge leading to a treehouse lounge, floating pool beds, and a spa built into a hillside cave. Alpine Crest Villa, Zermatt, Switzerland. Located near the Matterhorn, this snowside villa is built with modern glass, Swiss timber, and stone. The living room includes a panoramic fireplace and a retractable ceiling. The heated infinity pool faces the snowy peaks, and the basement features a wine tunnel carved into the mountain. A floating-style overwater villa with glass floors, underwater bedroom views, and a curved infinity pool blending into the Indian Ocean. The rooftop deck is designed for stargazing and private dining. Desert Mirage Villa, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. A futuristic sand-colored structure built directly into the desert cliffs. It features hidden courtyards, reflective pools, smart glass walls, and a sunken living hall that stays naturally cool. Pearl Dune Villa, Muscat, Oman. This seaside villa blends white stone with Arabian arches and modern glasswork. It includes a private beach tunnel, a panoramic rooftop pool, and handcrafted mosaic interiors. Zenith Jungle Villa, Costa Rica. Suspended above rainforest canopy, it features hanging walkways, an open-air living room, and a cantilevered infinity pool overlooking waterfalls and foggy valleys. Sapphire Bay Villa, Phuket, Thailand. A cliff-top villa facing the Andaman Sea with sliding all-glass walls, terrazzo stone floors, a rooftop lounge, and a pool that merges into the horizon. Tropical gardens surround private spa rooms and suites.